Sakubona mfundi, let's start by reading the new words at the bottom. Ulunya, ulaka, umhawu, uthando, umusa. You'll notice all these words, they start with U. So, when you're using them in sentences, you now want to say, for example, Snigiwe has an evil heart. You want to use the word ulunya. Let's go up there. Usinigiwe ulolunya. Angit. You now want to use the word ulaga, a hot temper. You are going to say upolani ulolaga. Let's use umhawu. Usiyamthanda ulomhawu. Angithi. And then love uthando, unozizwe ulothando. Lastly, umusa, kindness, uwandile ulomusa. So that's the pattern when you're using u words. Angithi, you say ulo, he has this, she has this. That's how it goes. Khuluma mfundi.